Downrange area is clear.
All right, good.
Load make ready. Are you ready?
Yes.
Stand by. If you are finished, unload. Show clear, fly forward, pull trigger. Holster. Range code 1508.
No way, I see down one out.
Face the boat. I'm gonna hand you this
Yeah,
thing.
yeah, I got a little tail going here, huh?
Load and make ready.
Okay, all right.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Stand by.
Oh, come on.
If you are finished, unload.
And I didn't fucking reload.
Unload, so clear. Slide forward.
Yeah, you saw it, right?
Pull trigger. Holster. 1411.
No reload, no reload.
Without a reload.
Yeah.
000.
What 2011 is that?
Pit Viper.
All right, downrange area is clear, and there is a target full left.
Over there, yep.
Range hot, eyes and ears. Load and make ready. On the barrel.
Okay, all that stays there. That's right. Sorry. Well, just thinking it out for one last time. All right.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Stand by. If you are finished, unload. So clear. Fly forward, pull trigger. Holster with a reload. 1745.
Yeah.
45.
000.
000.
000. 000. Threat is clean. Zero. Pace the boat.
Like he said, big run.
All right, so let's wrap it up. We've got range is, I'm sorry, downrange is clear. Range hot, load and make ready.
Okay. All right, starting on here. All right. I think we're good.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. If you are finished, unload. Show clear, slide forward, pull trigger. Holster. 1554.
It's,
TTI, Pit Viper.
yeah.
000.
0 0.
0 0.
0 0. 0 0. Old school